Hi and Assalamualaikum to Madam Munawara. My name is Faiz Masyara binti Muhammad Ikhwan, and today I would like to present about our assignment on how businesses are affected by COVID-19, especially for SME. As we know, SME is a medium-sized business, is categorized as a business where it is employee do not exceed 500 pupil and no less than 51 pupil. Where small businesses consist of 1 to 50 pupils or employees. What is COVID-19? The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as a coronavirus pandemic, is a global outbreak of 2019 coronavirus disease caused by coronavirus severe acute respiratory syndrome 2. The outbreak of pandemic COVID-19 all over the world disturbed such as political, economy, social, financial structures all over the world. Also, it is impact on the global economy, and most of the country faces multiple difficulties to bring back stable condition. And also, most of the nation are going through this phase of their economic structure. However, COVID-19 give a bad impression to the people who just start business and who having small businesses.
Good morning, my name is Tulasi. Today I'm going to present about a company name which is McLean Service Sendirian Berhad. This is a home-based cleaning service company. It's located at Taman Desa Ria at Petaling Jaya. So the business is based on home-based cleaning service. So they do a cleaning service to the customers which they require to do services such as cleaning the carpet, white tiles, and creaming and carpet glass, so on. So the founder name is Mr. Sam. He's running his business since 1998. So based on the explanation given by Ms. Shashi, which is the manager of the McLean Service Sendirian Berhad, they had come up with another services to get more flexible with their business. Their service, which is they will spray the disinfection spray to cleanse the germs. So they do the inspection spray service to all the pandemic companies. This is the opportunity that they had in their business during this COVID-19. For the challenges the company affected, what are the challenges they faced during this MCO, the COVID-19? The company McLean Service Sendirian Berhad, they their business, they only can run successfully if they open their company. If not, they cannot run their business successfully. During this MCO, most of the companies has been closed. So in another way, the McLean Service in Sendirian Berhad, they also had a huge impact on their income effect. So because on how a company, they demanding more service and good, they need to give a good result, and also by then they can get more money, they can get more income. Since they can't even open their company during this COVID-19, they are suffered so much on the income to do more services and business. As for the contribution and development, McLean Service Sendirian Berhad, they provide face mask, face shield, surgery glove, hand sanitizer to the companies that they do the infection spray. Like to the companies, they do the infection spray. They provide this kind of uh, helpful face mask, and which they can use during this COVID-19, and also they provide to people who really need it and they can't afford to buy the face mask and so on. And they also do some charities for the people who is suffering during, because since during this COVID-19 people are lack of job, and they can't even go for their workplace, and they don't enough money to survive on their daily basis. So they try to help some people which get their charity through the business, through the company, McLean Service Area Berhad. So this is all about from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nisha. So the company I chose for this final project is Sephora. So let me start from the background of the company. Basically, Sephora is a French-based company founded in 1993 in France, and Sephora was acquired by Paris-based in 1997. Sephora first arrived on Malaysia is on 2011. Now, Sephora Malaysia have 153 brands all over the country. So basically the cosmetics that they are selling is hair care products, skincare products, the fragrance and so on. Okay, so now I'll be moving into the services that were provided in the department. So the person I interviewed for this final project her name is Miss Penny. She is the supply chain manager in Sephora company, and the major services provided by Miss Penny is inventory side. She needs to oversee the inventory levels of businesses and lead a team of inventory or warehouse employees to receive and record new stock as it's delivered and shipped out. So that's the main role that she's doing in the okay, now I'm going to explain about the opportunities that the government provide to the company. So when I interviewed Miss Penny, she said that Sephora Malaysia are selling cosmetic product where it is not an essential product until the government are focusing on, but also she indirectly said that the government are helping them at a second hand where they request the approval of their permission for their stock of their product from the Ministry of International Trade and Industry. Okay, so other than that, the government also gives Sephora opportunities where the Ministry of Defence Malaysia said the COVID-19 press conference where to generate the economy during this pandemic. They will open back the shopping malls in Malaysia, but the shopping malls need to follow the standard of procedures, the SOP as well. Okay, so this is a great chance for Sephora as most of their retail shops are located at the shopping malls. By reopening all the retail shops, it will create job opportunities and also sales to the company itself. The problems and challenges associated with COVID-19 for a local company. Okay, so with the recent COVID-19 pandemic happening around the world, including Malaysia, causing the government to execute the Movement Control Order (MCO) to decrease movement and avoid public's direct contact with each other. This directly affects local companies a lot, especially the SME company, the small medium companies. Sephora is one of the SME. Okay, so some of the problems and challenges that they faced in that all of their stores are forced to be closed down since the 18 March. Sephora is also had to close down their company officially. Okay, and this is not because that the company is bankrupt, rather because of the MCO policy in which all businesses are not allowed to be operated. Therefore, Sephora is also not allowed to open their businesses. Next, Sephora has no operation. Therefore, no sales are being generated due to the MCO. Customers are not allowed to go out without a reason, and Sephora is not allowed to run their business because of the MCO policy. Because of these reasons, Sephora does not generate any sales or profit.
So my company Wood Surya Mantari Cleaning Services Sendirian Berhad, which was commenced on 29th of May 2001 and formerly known as Surya Mantari Enterprise. SMCS was founded by two individuals with vast experience in both cleaning industry and management skills way back in 1997. Since its operation commenced, SMCS has continuously developed and diversified its capabilities in their scope of services. This company is all about the cleaning services. As the realization toward the importance of housekeeping increase among the industrial society, it is their duty to upgrade the company's housekeeping requirement in order to the industrial standard. In doing all this, we believe that our business will be a success. They have a vast interest in their success because their business depends on their success. So at SMCS, whether our business is small or large, you will get the same professionalism from them, assuring prospective clients their best services, and they will do their best to satisfy their customers. The services of SMCS would be based on the interview session. We got to know that their experience in a cleaning industry from 1997. They have a competitive edge in some areas, which is like the first one would be their professional cleaning system is designed to cater out clients' customized need in order to achieve their requirement based on their budget. The second would be experienced technical staff and trained workers aspire to deliver high quality cleaning services. The third one would be their modern equipment together with the right choice and quality of chemical used in executing their task enables them to ensure a better finishing. So they offer a comprehensive range of services such as build care services, office care services, cabin services, home care services, and so on. On the interview session, it was clarified that most of the workers and staff are foreigners since it is an enterprise company. Even though there are still a few of Malaysian workers, they don't get much benefits from the government to provide to their organization. Also, the point that stood out was that they do the deep cleaning services which could kill the bacteria and viruses during this virus pandemic. From the interview session, we also got to know that they couldn't prepare cleaners to get into the clinic technique due to pandemic and the lockdown. The association is adaptable business. So during this lockdown, most of the companies were shut, so they were unable to give cleaning services. Most of the customers didn't want outsiders to enter their houses for house cleaning services as well. It was clarified that profit were lower, less spending occurs, and associations were affected. Understanding that we are making a secure, shifted through and welcoming working environment suggests that everyone can proceed ahead with their assignments without heaviness of ensuring the working environment and the houses were kept clean. Doing this, moreover, businesses likely concerned in distributing cleaning endeavors or to laborers or wait between the delegates who may see the others as not doing a lot to keep the environment clean.
And the suggestions from Miss Penny during the interview is these companies need to find out relief measures would by the banks and government probably engaged in stimulate packages by the government itself, and also they need to probably think of idea always to convert their production to COVID-19 necessity to adapt to this situation, and they have to mindset that business would not be back to normal as usual. So this firm would need adapt to this new situation. As for examples, COVID-19 necessity. Sephora should provide hand sanitizers for customers on their checkout counter, and next they exit doors and prepare more cotton buds or cotton pads for customers to try makeup samples in the store. Other suggestion is company should provide more flexibility as working from home can affect employee differently depending on their living conditions and responsibilities. That's why employer flexibility is crucial in meeting specific employer needs.